Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to guide you how you can easily form your own LLC in Delaware. So the first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description of the video and click on the link. When you're going to do it, you'll get right here to Incfile. Incfile is an amazing company that is going to help you set up your own LLC so you can actually focus on making money, doing the business, and not taking care of how and what should I do, how should I create, where should I go. So this is really amazing. Now, the first thing you want to do is when you're going to come on the side of Incfile, you're going to find services and click here, form an LLC. Now, form your LLC now. And here you're going to have LLC, and then you want to click here and scroll down below to Delaware. Now you're going to have the platinum, gold, and silver packages. I always recommend going with the middle way with the gold one, and I will explain you why. So you can start with the silver, but yes, you have the preparing, filling the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year. You can have it there, yes, I understand, but with the gold, you can have the business tax number, IRS form, operating agreement, banking resolution, lifetime company alerts. The one thing that I really like is business tax consultation and unlimited phone and email support. These two things are amazing. Then you have options to go with the platinum, and we will get to the middle of the video. For platinum, you have option also to have the expedited filling. So it will be, you'll have much faster your company. Then if you need, you can have also the business contract templates here that you can use, and domain name and business email. So this is the platinum version. What is the bonus there? Now, when you go further, you can simply click, like, let's say, get the gold package. And here I'm going to add a first name, which is going to be Marcus Stanelius. Now I'm going to add my email and number. So email and number. Now I'm going to choose the street address here. City, and Delaware, and then zip code. Now I'm going to confirm the address, and I will go further. So when you're going to have it, you can see that you have option to have the 9 weeks filling time or go with the 6 business days filling time. Don't click yet for the 6 business days. You can do it, but you can go with the $100, or you can go with the platinum package and have it all there if you want to. So it's up to you if you choose it now or later. Then LLC name is going to be, you're just gonna name your company. Just create your name, and when you're gonna have it, you need to choose designator. LLC, limited liability company, you choose that. Then number of members is myself just, and then business purpose. So let's say marketing agent, marketing services for big companies. Just as an example. Now number of members is owners of your LLC company. Then what industry are you in? Let's say I'm going to be like marketing, consulting services. Then you're going to choose the company address information, and you have options to use your own address or use the professional address and virtual mail service. So you have options to go this way, the $29 a month, or you can choose your own address. I would recommend going with the professional business address if you want to. That's like up to you. I don't personally have it because I don't need it. And then member information. Well, some states require that initial LLC member names and addresses be listed on the information documents. You can include or don't include. I'm not going to include, but if you want, you can do that too. And now here we have it. Upgrade for only $149 to receive these free premium services. So you can have the expedited filling service, business contract templates, and domain name and business email address for just $149. Like, I can recommend doing that personally because like the 9 weeks are pretty long, and you would have it for 6 business days. In this way you would cover everything. So let's say get upgraded and bonus, or you don't need to. Like when you would click here for the business contract templates, you have option to find all the templates that are here. It's pretty good. So when we go further, I can get upgraded and bonus. Now I'm going to have the member 1, which is myself. I can have individual or company. First name, last name, street, address, city, and percentage of ownership 100. Now here you have options to have registered agent information. My recommendation is to have it with Incfile, that you would have the registered agent for free 1 year. And that's going to be like really good. And it can be really good for you. So I'm going to press next again. And now you need to have the tax identification number information. I'm going to add my name here and my SSN number or IT number. And then physical street address. You're just filling out everything here what you find. Next. Here you have option to open account with the Bank of America. So that's something you can do, and that's something what you can start with. So you can yes, please have a Bank of America small business specialist contact me, or no at this time. Click next. And then you're gonna have an option tax strategy free consultation. So yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation for free. That's something I definitely recommend, to have an overview of the business, to understand how to use it and how to create it. So I would click yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation. And now you have 2 licenses that you need to have to operate legally. And this is something you can do it by yourself, but actually recommending so you can yes, identify all licenses I need and send me the necessary application. And then what you would do, you would just fill it out. So that's something that I would again recommend for you to do. Click next. And here you got all the information here for as the like review of the order for your company. And then you're gonna press next here. And then when you got it, all you have to do is you can read the other reviews here if you want to. And you're gonna have the country, the address, the numbers, and everything. And when you're gonna fill it out, then you just press complete and pay. And this is how you can easily form your own company in Delaware. So thank you very much guys for watching. Hope you're going to have a great day. This is how you can form a company in Delaware. Have a great day guys, and goodbye. See ya.